Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows key not working in Windows 11. So head over to your settings menu. So we can do that just by coming down to start here, search for settings, and then click on the settings window. Select accessibility, scroll down and select keyboard, and make sure filter keys here is turned off like so. Then you can close out of the setting windows, head back over to the start menu, and this time search for task manager, and then just click on the task manager window. Over in the search box at the top, you just need to type in Windows Explorer, and once you found this Windows Explorer process, we're going to right click on it and select restart. Now you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, another thing we can do is come back over to the start menu, search for device manager, and then click on the device manager window. From here, head down to keyboards and expand this drop down. Then you just need to right click on your keyboard device and select update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and just ensure you're running the latest drivers for your device. Now if you have tried everything and your Windows key still isn't responding, then the last thing we can do is press the FN and the Windows key at the same time. So on your keyboard, it will look like this button here and also this one. So if you just press them both together, that should have now fixed the issue. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.